everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Blooket with Google account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.blooket.com. After you come across this official page, click on the login button in the top section of your screen. Here, click on Sign in with Google option. Here, tap on Confirm option. Then you'll be able to open your Blooket account. And that is how you can log into Blooket with Google account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.